Step 1. Disassemble the pallets. And remember, kids, always wear protection. Especially when handling dangerous tools. Welcome to day 2 of step 1. Turns out this is a little bit more difficult than I anticipated.
This is way too much work, so what I'm gonna do now is I'm just gonna like snap my fingers so it's done, so I don't have to do it all.
Well, it's kind of still a mess. I ought to grab myself some seasoning. Let's get this thing clean.
Step 1 was exhausting.
Follow along for step 2.